Welcome to MLAC Online Tutorial, and before us is this question in indices JAMB 2009 that says evaluate x raised to the power of 2 in bracket x minus 1 times 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 all equals to 0.04. Okay, now let us recall from the law of indices that x raised to the power m times x raised to the power n is the same as m plus what? N, right? Okay, now with that, using that rule here, first of all, let us simplify this. 5, opening this bracket, you have what? 2x minus 2, that's this multiplying through what? With what's in the bracket, then times 5 all raised by what? X plus what? 1. Now let us change this to fraction. This will give us this about 100, so you have 4 over what? 100. Okay, so here you have 2 here, 2 here, 50, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 25. All right, now applying this rule here, now you can now say this is 5 raised to the power 2x minus 2 plus x plus 1, then equals, now since here we have 1 over what? 25. All right, changing this also to index, here we have 5 raised to the power of and just collect like terms to simplify. We have 2x plus x minus 2 plus 1, then equals 25 all raised to the power minus 1. Yeah, according to this rule that x raised to the power minus 1 is something as 1 over what? X. Okay, and as that also, let us simplify further. So here we have 5 raised to the power of 2x plus x will give us 3x, then minus 2 plus 1 give us what? Minus 1. Now changing this to the base of 5, we have 5 raised to the power 2 all to the power of minus 1. So this will give us 5 raised to the power 3x minus 1, which is what? That is equals to minus 2. 2 times minus 1. So we can now cancel out the 2 base. We are left with what? 3x minus 1 equals to minus 2. Now here we can add 1 to both sides. So here you have plus 1. Then here you have what? Plus 1. So here we have 3x. This will give us 0. Then minus 2 plus 1. That will give us minus 1. We already multiply by 3. This cancel out this. So our x will now give us minus 1 over what? 3. Alright, that's the final answer. And if you love what I've just done, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.